In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com forms. Monday.com is a versatile platform that helps with team management and workflow automation, and their forms feature is a great tool for data collection and simplifying processes. So let's dive in and explore how you can create and manage forms using Monday.com effectively. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. In the upper right corner of your screen, you'll find the button to log in. Go ahead and click on that. If you're already familiar with the interface, this should be straightforward. But if not, don't worry. It's all about finding the right buttons and getting accustomed to where things are. Next, when you're prompted to log in, you have a couple of options. You can sign in with your Google account, which is often more convenient if you're already logged into Google. Alternatively, you can type in the email address you use for your Monday.com account. Once you've logged in, if you opted for Google Sign In, just select the email address that's linked to your Monday.com account. Now let's get into creating a form. On your main board view, look for the plus sign located beside the main table. This plus sign is like your gateway to adding new features, so go ahead and click on it. From the drop down menu that appears, select Form. This action will open a new form that you can start editing to suit your needs. Upon opening the form, you'll notice an Edit Form option on the right corner. Clicking this allows you to customize the form to gather exactly the type of information you need. Want to add more questions? Simply click on the plus sign within the form editor. It's here that you can choose the type of question you want to include. There's a variety to pick from depending on the data you want to collect, whether it's text, numbers, dates, or multiple choice options. Once you've made all your changes, it's always a good idea to see how the form will appear to others. Use the preview option to get a quick look at the final appearance. When you're satisfied with it, you can return to the main view by clicking back to view. Sharing is a crucial part of making your form useful. You can easily share the form by clicking the Share Form button, which is conveniently located in the upper right corner of the form screen. By sharing, you can collect responses seamlessly from your team, clients, or any stakeholders involved. After sharing, if you navigate back to the main table, you'll observe that responses begin to populate the board with the details of those who have filled out your form. This feature makes it incredibly efficient to centralize data collection and streamline your workflow. And there you have it. That's a quick yet comprehensive guide to using Monday.com forms. By following these steps, you can efficiently collect and manage information, making your team's operations smoother and more productive. Thanks for watching, and happy form creating.